I got the secret ingredient that will make your sweet potato dish the star of your Thanksgiving table and keep your blood sugar in check. Go ahead and grab that large pot and fill it up with water because we need to bring this to boil for our star ingredient. So what is replacing sweet potatoes, ladies and gentlemen? It's going to be that frozen butternut squash. Now, of course, you can get this at the Walmart because I'm bougie on a Bayou Boo. I don't spend a lot of money. And notice I already got it cut up because, baby, I'm lazy. I'm just done with the days of me cutting up that squash myself. So get it in the frozen section. It's super cheap. And before you pass out, have a heart attack and tell me, oh my gosh, a half a cup of frozen butternut squash has 8 grams of carbs, we're comparing it to a half a cup of sweet potatoes at 13. So we saving some carbs, boo. So I just want to let you know that. Put all of your butternut squash in that pot, bring it to a boil while it's covered, and go ahead and set your oven to preheat at 375. Once you have drained that butternut squash, return it to your pot, and here's where we're going to add those ingredients. We're going to start with a 4th cup of our brown sugar swerve. Now, y'all know I love Swerve. It's a New Orleans product. To that, we're going to add a 4th cup of our granulated swerve. Now, if you're like me, you don't like things overly sweet, you can go a little bit less, even go down to 2 tablespoons of each. Be your best judge, judge your family. I do have the sweet family, so I have to up the ante a little bit. Between a teaspoon and a tablespoon of cinnamon, and boo, you see me, I'm using that lid to measure this. I'm Cajun, like we just do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. A tablespoon of butter tops this off. Get that potato masher, start mashing all the ingredients together. Go ahead and pour your butternut squash mixture into this is kind of a small casserole dish. It's nothing huge. I don't know the measurements on it. If you know it, put it in the description box below and put it in that oven. Bake it for 30 minutes. Now notice this is very important. I did not put the keto marshmallows to go into the oven. It would melt. It would be a hot mess. We're going to put it on top when we remove this bad boy from the oven. And I'm a half person. I only do half marshmallows. I'm not that sweet vegetable person, so it just doesn't work for me. But I got the family who wants the marshmallows. They want the pecan, so you could sprinkle it on top. If you were too busy laughing or not taking notes, go ahead and scroll into that description box for this recipe. And gang, I love you so much, but please love me back and subscribe. Thanks so much, gang. Bye-bye.